If you're shopping for a reliable sedan in the US, two names always come up: Toyota Camry and Honda Accord. But which one is actually better? The Toyota Camry is known for long-term reliability and low maintenance costs. It's smooth, comfortable, and built for drivers who want peace of mind. Many owners keep Camrys for over 10 years with minimal issues. On the other hand, the Honda Accord focuses more on driving experience. It offers sharper handling, a sportier feel, and slightly more interior space. Drivers who enjoy responsive steering often prefer the Accord. When it comes to fuel efficiency, both cars perform almost the same, depending on the engine option. Safety features are also similar, with advanced driver assistance systems available on both models. Interior design is where preferences differ. The Camry feels simple and practical, while the Accord looks more modern and driver-focused. So which one should you choose? If you want maximum reliability and comfort, Camry is the safer pick. If you want a more engaging drive with a stylish interior, Accord might be your car. In the end, both are excellent. The best choice depends on how you drive.